Hello everyone, check it out. This is most delicious avocado toast recipe. Today we are going to make this recipe for you guys. So let's get started. First take the any kind of bread you like, then toast little bit, then apply the butter or cream cheese. After you have to take the nice ripe avocado. This is the sign of ripe avocado. The tip will be fall apart. Then take the knife, go through all the way around, then remove the seed. After cut into two like a wedges, then it will be peel easily, it will be come out, as you can see. I'm a fan of the avocado if when there is no black spots. Amazingly gorgeous. Just cut it like this, keep it ready the avocado. First you have to keep ready the bread, otherwise the avocado it will be start discoloring. Just place over the bread like this. Each bread you have to keep the avocado step by step, follow. Make sure whenever you are using the avocado to cut with the knife, just cut it with the tip area, so it will give you nice thinly slice of avocado. We are garnishing some pomegranate seed. Look at this beautiful thing. Very healthy, very delicious recipe. Place over little bit cheese. I'm using here feta cheese. If you like some other cheese you can use it. Then we are going to little bit char this avocado, so it will the color will be more vibrant and nice color. As you can see, just garnish over some leaves, some microgreens. Microgreens, you know that these are the very nutritious things, so this is very healthy and nutritious avocado toast. Check out this crazy delicious recipe. Like, share and comment. Thank you for watching guys.